Welcome to the Grand Tour production of Seaman.
No, I don't like boats and I don't do boats, end of.
Well, you're about to. The challenge is to cross the Mekong Delta without any issues. 3, 2, 1, go!
Damn it, I'm enjoying it!
The speed!
Into the reeds.
I can't steer it. Oh, no. Sorry.
Hi, we're experienced travellers passing through.
I'm not sure we can do this. No!
It's gonna snap.
Oh, my God! Please pull me along. This is no time for cocking about!
Well, this is crap, isn't it?
I'm trying to catch up with people I don't even want to be with anyway.
Oh, shit!
No.
I fucking hate boats!
It's impossible to think how this could be worse. We need sleep.
That generator goes all the time.
No.
Why do we do this?
It's a boating holiday.
Yeah.
The glamour. What could possibly go wrong? Hammond, the nav's gone.
Oh, well, it's done us a lot of good so far, hasn't it? Ah, we've lost the thing that's got us lost.